yung ano sa loob. Yan. So, it's really in the top. Yan.
So, yun ang baby.
That started, you know, implant. Started implantation pa lang.
Sa uterus.
Dyan. Sa taas.
So that's why we still had the mens.
Ha?
Konting mens niya eh. And then, ngayon, wala yung mens. Wala na.
It's in the tip. And, ito measure. Ito yata dito. Lang, 6 weeks.
Wow. So, alam na natin.
Yeah, early.